In this video, we are going to do WhatsApp automation. Okay, so we are going to create a bot which is going to send the message automatically to the contact number we want to send. Okay, so basically we are going to schedule also. So this message sent can be scheduled for a particular hour and minute. So let's see in action. Okay, so let me create a Python file and let me give a name as WhatsApp automation. And for this there is a package or library, we can say. So there is a package named as PyWattKit, and this is the very powerful package to do automation with Python. Okay, so this is PyWattKit. Currently version is 5.1, and this is the pip install PyWattKit. This is the command to install PyWattKit. So we can go to our terminal and we can just paste this command and we can press enter to install it. So I have already installed it, so I don't need to. So this is one way to install. The second way is you can go to your file, settings, go to project interpreter, click on the plus icon and search for the package you want to install. Okay, so this is showing, click on the install package button and it will start the installation. For me, the installation is already done, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so after the installation is complete, let's do the import. So import PyWattKit, and then let me do let me press the keep the code for sending the message within a try block. So PyWattKit dot send what message. Okay, now within this, if you can see, it takes a few arguments like phone number which in the string format, message in string, time in hour, time in minute, wait time, and so on. Okay, so let's put the phone number. So let me put my own phone number with country code. So remember to put country code, then only WhatsApp will be able to recognize it. So 8. Okay, so this is my contact number. Now let me put the message. Okay, so the message I can put is whether you put single quote, double quote, or triple quote doesn't matter, but we have to keep as a string. So let me put as, this is alien, your WhatsApp has been hacked. Okay, we can prank our friends by doing this, who are not techie, by the way. Okay, so let me put the hour and minute. Okay, now the hour has to be in 24-hour format. So currently it is 10. Okay, 22 is nothing but 10. So let me put that, and minute has to be from 0 to 59. Okay, so let me put it as 29. Currently let me put as 32 because we have some more code to write. Now let me put print, and let me put as message sent successfully. All right, so this is our try block. Let's put our except block, and within that let us print, like, if any exception occurs, this is going to be printed. So an unexpected error occurred. All right, so this is our code. So literally there are only 2 lines, import, and this is the line which is going to send the message. So these are the 2 actual lines which are going to do, but let's keep in try and except because it is a better programming approach, right? So it is 10:30 now. Let me put at 31 and let me put click on the run. So it is going to take 30 seconds because it is about to become 31 in 30 seconds, and then it is going to launch the, let me close the browser so that it will launch the browser. It will open web.whatsapp.com. It will type the message and it is going to send the message on this particular number. Okay, make sure the number has to be correct, otherwise it will go in the accept block. Okay, let's wait till it open. Okay, I believe yes. So here it is, it's launched, it has launched the browser, and now it is opening the WhatsApp, and here we go. Okay, so it is typing the message, it has done that, and let's wait for it to send. So I'm not doing anything, it is happening automatically. So whatever the time you put in, see the message has been sent now. So whatever the time you put, the message has to be sent at that particular time. So this is how we can schedule our messages to someone whom we want to send the message. So this is really cool, and this is really powerful library of Python, PyWhatKit. So do watch this, and I have already shown you about the library. Go and check out and see other details on what this PyWhatKit can do. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, because I'll be keep on making similar videos which are going to be really cool, also tutorial videos which is going to be really helpful for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.